A rare find. This place has it all in just 20 minutes to Norman. Beautiful property, fully fenced and cross-fenced with 5 separate pastures for livestock, water in all areas, 40 by 88 stall horse barn, 24 by 30 garage and workshop combined, in-ground concrete pool, lean-tos and 2 seasonal ponds. Relax on the front or back porches and enjoy the beautiful views of your land and animals and the abundant wildlife that passes through, including deer and turkey. You will love the convenience of the circle drive, the garden and the serenity of the property. Enjoy pool parties with friends and be sure to note the convenient bathroom in the pool house. Inside the home, you will find an updated kitchen, with granite and pantry, and bathrooms, open concept and the light and bright feel, as well as a wood-burning stove. The owner recently added insulation in the attic, pool safety fence.